Okay, people, this is just a tiny little episode for you. I don't know if you can see, the sun is setting right there. It's almost gone, and I'm just demonstrating how I'm in the sun. I've got my feet in the ground and I'm exposing my eyes to the sun without looking directly into the sun. This is the ultimate way to charge your mitochondria, to tell the body that it is nighttime. When the sun hits the retina in the eye, that's when the body is sending signals to the secretion of melatonin, which is the sleep hormone, that it's time to get activated soon, and that it's time to turn off the stress hormones, the cortisol and the adrenaline, and just start exposing yourself to some peace and calm. So this is now the time to, when you get indoors, turn off the blue light, so the fluorescent light, the LED lights, and replace it with some candlelight or some incandescent light bulbs, and just chill. The red light in itself is healing, and it is telling the body to sleep. It is really healthy for the mitochondria, the energy factories within each and every cell. So this is a free tip for better sleep and better health. So get out there and expose your skin and your eyes to some sunlight. And when you are grounded into the ground at the same time, that is where you get rid of all the positive charge in the body, and you charge with the negative electromagnetic charges. So it's like charging an iPhone. And we don't spend much time charging our bodies. We do charge the phone every day, but we don't bother getting outside with our feet plugging into the ground, which is the only way we can charge our mitochondria. And our mitochondria, our energy factories, work really like batteries. And if they're not exposed to the earth, if they don't have enough water, if they don't have light, they cannot be charged. And that's where you run out of energy, you become tired, you can't sleep at night, and you gain weight. So that was just a little evening tip from my guardian. Thank you for joining me here in this beautiful nature.